So I'm going to continue with the bank model for dividing integers. And this time, the integers I'll be dividing will have opposite signs. So when that's the case, you're going to end up withdrawing from the bank instead of depositing into the bank. And I'll show you how that works. So my first one that I'm going to do here is a positive 8 divided by a negative 2. So again, this is what I want left in the bank, okay? In the bank is positive 8. Okay. Now, I'm dividing by a negative 2. So that's kind of what I have to do my operation on, okay? Are sets of negative 2 tiles. Okay? So, basically, I had to figure out how can I work with sets of negative 2 tiles to end up with a positive 8. Well, there's no way that I can add in sets of negative tiles. I can't deposit sets of negative tiles and hope to ever end up a positive 8. So that tells me what I have to do here is withdraw. Well, right now there's nothing in the bank, so I need to add in 0 pairs. So I'm going to add in these 0 pairs here like this. Okay, getting there. And I'm almost at my last set here now. Okay, so I have my 0 pairs added in, 8 sets, right, of 0 pairs. And now I'm going to work with my sets of 2 negative tiles. So you can see my red ones, I kind of grouped them together here, 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 and over here, right? So I'm going to remove sets of 2 negative tiles. So if I'm removing, I know that my answer, if my answer right away, I know is going to be negative, okay? Because you kind of, when you're using this model, you pay attention to the operation that you're doing. So I remove one set, 2 sets, 3 sets, and 4 sets. Okay, and I'm left with positive 8 in the bank. That's what I wanted in the bank. So to do it, I had to withdraw 4 sets. So positive 8 divided by a negative 2 is a negative 4. All right. So let me do another one there so you can see this withdrawal operation in action again. This time I will do a negative 8 divided by positive 2. Okay, so just like last time, if I want negative 8 left in the bank, there's no way I can deposit positive 2 tiles in there to ever get to negative 8. So I'm going to have to withdraw. And as soon as I know I'm withdrawing, I know my answer is going to be negative. So let's do the operation. Again, I'm going to quickly add in my 0 pairs here. Actually, let me do them like that again. Make it look like the last one. So this time what I want left in the bank is negative 8 tiles. So 8 of those red tiles. But it's the operation that I'm doing on the tiles that I'm paying attention to get my answer when I'm using this model, okay? So again, I have to withdraw my positive 2 tiles. So this is 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. Those are all going to be moved out of my bank. So here they go. And I just removed 4 groups. So if I remove 4 groups or withdraw 4 groups, my answer is -4. And you can see here, I have -8 left in the bank. So I know that I did that right. So I hope that helps. Later on now you'll see, here I had a negative divided by a positive. I got a negative. You saw in the previous ones there when I had a negative divided by negative, I got a positive and so on. So we'll work on the rules for these in upcoming videos. Thanks for listening.